All right, y'all. So I'm trying to. Well, I ain't trying. I am showing myself, teaching myself how to sew, and I'm starting off from the basics. Let me turn this down. So I'm teaching myself how to sew, and I'm starting off with the basics, which is putting these labels, the labels right here. Okay, these are actually my hem tags, but I'm using them to practice right now. But putting them on the back of the shirts. This is just the basic way that I decided to start teaching myself how to sew. So what I do to get the shirt, practice with old shirts. Don't practice with your new shirts. Turn the shirt inside out. This is this is an all style t-shirt. So I started off with Hanes right here. So I started with these Hanes, and just my observation, Hanes are kind of difficult to get the to take the to de-thread because of the way they have them stitched. But I was able to do a couple of them. So in my opinion, if you can do a hang shirt, you could do the other shirts because the other shirts are a lot more easier. But turn the shirt inside out, and then don't worry about taking your tag off now. So let me put this down. So from here, you just kind of take your tag, fold it over like that in half. Okay. This side, your logo is always gonna go facing you when you put it on the shirt. When your shirt is turned inside out. I know my head is cut off, but I'd rather y'all be able to see my hands than see what my face. But so you put it in the middle, keep your tags on there. This made it easier for me. Keep your tags on there because your tags are already placed in the middle of the garment. So just lay your label on top of the garment and just kind of even out the section on both sides. So once you do that, I usually like that. I'll put my thumb there on the edge of the label, take my little deep threading tool, and pull those few threads out right there, just so that I can mark my start point. Mind y'all, I just learned how to do this today. So some people out there may have an easier way to do it, but this is an easier way for me. If you do have an easier way, drop it in the comments. I'll be glad to look and you know, because I'm always open for a little help on how to do this. This is a new task for me. But anyway, so once you get that out, get a couple of threads out. It's gonna take me a little bit because I'm blind. I can't see, and the threads are really small. Once you get one out, I don't know if y'all can see that, but now I can kind of pull it open. I can pull it open a little bit, and from the bottom, now I'll go to the bottom and start popping the thread. It's easier from the bottom, but you got to get it from the top first in order to get that thread to pop. So just go all the way across. You can kind of pull it once you start getting it. You can pull it some of the way, but go all the way across. I'm gonna finish this up real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. So now I'm able to pull it some like across. So now it's looking like that. So I put it all out. But check your other side. You have to pull those threads from the other side because once you start sewing, you'll sew those right back down under your new thread. All right. Then I take my label. Place my label inside the pocket that I just removed the other tags from. And this is only for people that still use woven tags. This is not for people that do the tags with the heat press or the screen print. Now, just a little word to let y'all know, I'm not using black thread. I'm using my practice thread, which is all white. So, okay. So once I get that in there like that, I take my little iron and flatten it out. It's a lot easier to sew across with it flat. Everything kind of in place. Make sure it's tucked under there pretty good. I'm gonna show y'all because I'm new at this. So if I mess it up, y'all gonna see the mess up too. It is what it is. I'm learning here. All right. All right. Now you take your shirt. I was having a lot of trouble with my sewing machine earlier. It kept popping my thread. Come to find out, the thread wasn't no good, so I had to switch threads. But all right, so we're gonna start here. And I also learned that you don't have to pull and tug on this sewing machine. It'll basically sew itself. So that was a good thing to learn too. Because I was doing a whole lot of pulling and tugging. But all right, then let's see how it turned out, y'all. Wait a minute. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's see how it came out. You know, Lil Juke made it. So this is how it came out. So for a beginner, ain't really that bad for a beginner. I use white thread. Okay, if it was black thread, it'd be all right. But yeah, so I'm teaching myself how to sew, y'all. Add value to the package, baby. This how my backside look. This how I look from the front. All right, holla back, y'all. Amada Apparel, rock the brand, baby. I got work to do.